Hi, welcome to the Bigger Brains course, Power BI Using Visuals. My name is Kathy Snazaski, and I'm a Microsoft trainer with 25 years experience helping employees be more efficient using Microsoft products. Power BI is a powerful tool for analyzing and reporting data, and I'm excited to teach you how to use its features. This course is intended for anyone who has a basic understanding of Power BI and relational data and wants to learn the essentials of using visuals. I recommend that you become familiar with data modeling or take our Power BI data modeling course prior to this course. We'll start by defining the purpose of different visualizations. Then we'll build visualizations and format them to improve readability. Next, we'll insert and format pages in a report, insert and format static objects, and add custom visualizations. We'll also group fields and edit groups on a visualization. From there, we'll apply basic, advanced, and top-end filters on visualizations and pages. Then we'll build, format, and sync slicers, and add conditional formatting to a visual. Next, we'll create bookmarks and add them to buttons. Then we'll create a drill-through page with drill-through buttons. In our last lesson, we'll add further analysis from the analytics pane and add AI visuals to our report. By the end of this course, my hope is that you will gain an understanding of how to customize visuals and build advanced Power BI reports. As you go through this course, I recommend that you stop the video periodically and practice what I'm showing you. The files I'm using in this course are available to download if your platform supports them, so you can do the same activities right along with us.